Now let us see initialization of pointer variables. How to initialize a pointer variable? I can initialize a pointer variable using assignment operator equal to symbol. Yes, how to assign? Look at this example. Quantity is an integer. P is a pointer variable of type integer. Now I want to collect address of quantity to P using assignment operator equal to. P equal to, in order to collect the address I have to put ampersand symbol, ampersand quantity, address operator followed by quantity with the semicolon. This is called as initialization of pointer variable. So we are equating, we are assigning address of quantity to another variable P, which is declared as a pointer variable, which also belongs to the data type of quantity. That's all about initialization. Let us see the different methods of initialization. Look at the same example can also be done like this. Quantity is declared as integer. P is a pointer variable which is also an integer type. At the time of declaration also I can do initialization. Int star P equal to ampersand quantity. These two steps can be clubbed together in a single line. This is accepted. Third one, int x is the integer variable. Following that, star P represents P is a pointer variable which belonging to int, which gets the address of x. Initialization of pointer variable. So address of x is collected in P. So the declaration together with initialization. What's the difference between these two? Here I should not put star. This P is a variable which collects the address of quantity. This star indicates that P is a pointer. So here you are not supposed to put star when you initialize separately. But whenever you initialize at the point of declaration, while declaration I need star to point that this is a pointer variable. So we are writing star P equal to ampersand quantity. So you should not get confused with these two. Here initialization is done separately, declaration is done separately. Here we are combining declaration as well as initialization. So for initialization I need star. So star P equal to ampersand quantity, star P equal to ampersand x. All the three steps are done in a single line. This is also accepted. Int star P equal to null. Null means 0. So the address initially will be considered as 0. I can either initialize like this or with 0. These are also accepted. Without this, some garbages, unwanted values will be stored in P. To avoid that one, I can initialize with 0. Later I can collect address of any particular variable. And these are the following invalid examples. Look at this. A and B are float variable. X is an integer and P is a pointed variable which is going to collect address of an integer. But what happens in the third line? P is equal to ampersand A. What is A? Float. I am trying to collect address of a float variable in a integer pointer, which is a wrong assignment. This cannot be done. A float variable cannot be assigned to an integer pointer variable. Looking at the second example, int star P equal to ampersand x, comma x. What we are doing? We are declaring a pointer variable as well as the integer variable x. We are doing declaration of x and the pointer variable in a single line, but before declaring x I have declared P and I have collected address. Meanwhile the compiler doesn't know what is x. So whenever you want to do initialization of any variable, address of any variable, that particular variable should be declared before this assignment, otherwise initialization process. So this is an invalid statement since x is declared after the initialization. It should be declared first. Another wrong example, star p, I am assigning address as 5360. You cannot assign any address to a pointer variable other than null and 0. You can assign either null or 0 by yourself. Other than that, you are not supposed to assign any address to a pointer variable. There are points to note. Look at this example. There are 3 integer variables together with the integer pointer variable. What I am doing, I am collecting address of x in P. After some few steps, I am collecting address of y in P. After some steps, I am collecting address of z in P. Is it accepted? Yes. I can use a single pointer variable to collect address of 3 or 4 or 5, any number of the same data type variables. Address of same data type variables. That is also accepted. In the second note, here what I am trying is, I am having an integer variable x, but I am having 3 different pointer variables. All the 3 contains address of x. That is also accepted. 3 different pointer variable can collect the address of same x. So both of them are accepted. That's all about initialization. Next, we will see accessing a variable through its pointer.